Hello everyone, my name is Hugo Swart and I run the XR business at Qualcomm Technologies. Thank you so much for having me at your event. The world is changing and I'm here to talk with you about how Qualcomm Technologies sees the new world with XR, 5G, and AI that has spatial computing at its core. The digital transformation has begun, and reality is changing. With the arrival of 5G, we're moving towards a new world where virtually everyone and everything is connected. And XR is the new mobile platform. We're going to soon be using glasses for hands-free, immersive, and interactive communications and content consumption anytime, anywhere. Already today, we have been able to make virtual reality truly mobile with standalone VR devices such as the HTC Vive Focus, the Oculus Quest, and many other devices in China, allowing people to be transported into immersive virtual worlds. I still remember bringing a VR device home and having my kids call it the new world. Would hear them ask me, "Daddy, can I play in the new world?" It made me realize this is really a new world. Also, we have already enabled computing with digital elements overlaid on our real world through augmented reality devices such as the Unreal Light, the Glass Enterprise Edition 2 from Google, and Microsoft HoloLens 2. Lots of progress was made over the past 5 years or so, and going to evolve even faster during the next 5. This is happening. XR is on a journey and evolving in parallel with 2 additional technology trends, AI and 5G. 5G with the fiber-like speeds and extremely low latency, and AI driving many of the perception algorithms needed in XR. These 3 together are going to be the catalyst to change in how we interact in the world. In the consumer space, it is changing gaming, entertainment, travel, shopping, communications. And in the enterprise, we're seeing changes in the way organizations do 3D design, collaboration, employee training, and field services across multiple and very different industries. It is interesting to observe how each wireless generation changed the way we communicate. First generation was analog voice. 2G improved voice quality and reliability with digital, and also added messaging. With 3G, we added data, the internet, and enabled the first variations of video calling in small screens. 4G, we improved data and screens and enabled video conferencing with Skype, WhatsApp, and others. With 5G, we're expecting that the new communication medium will emerge. We, along many others, call it holographic telepresence. Holographic telepresence is actually a great example of how XR, 5G, and AI come together, and especially relevant in this pandemic situation we are in. The idea with holographic telepresence is that a VR or an AR headset can track all your facial expressions and body movement, and then have you presented as a lifelike avatar in the environment of people you are communicating with. Let's watch a video on how communication will be not long from today.
Oh, hey.
Bring in Model 5A.
Hi, everyone.
Oh, hey. What do you think?
I think it looks great. Let's call in Darren.
Oh, hey guys, what's up?
Darren, we were wondering, could we change the color of the upholstery?
Oh yeah, definitely. Let's see, how about blue?
Works for me. What do you guys think?
Looks good. Let's do it.
In XR, perception algorithms powered by AI and computer vision technologies are crucial to creating a true representation of a social experience for the end user. There are sensors, cameras in the headset that gather information about your body, user understanding, and about the surroundings, environment understanding. User understanding includes the tracking of your head, your eye, your facial expressions, your hands, full body movement. And environment understanding includes 3D reconstructions of the space you are in, both static and moving objects, and lighting, occlusion detection, and so forth. In this example, the headset is tracking all of these things, really a lot of AI processing, all happening in real time. So in an instant, the physical world can be enhanced or transported to the digital world. Now, when you are in a meeting with your colleague, I think everyone would like to see their colleague as they really are, not a cartoon version of them. And to make an avatar move from a cartoon representation to a lifelike, photorealistic avatar, there's a need for tremendous amount of graphics rendering capabilities, requiring huge amount of power. Now, there's not enough room to dissipate that much power in a headset, and the headset needs to count on additional compute horsepower outside the device. That is when 5G comes in. Beyond enabling the low latency data transfer, key for communication, 5G can also enable edge-of-the-cloud processing for the photorealistic avatar rendering. And this is how it works. Perception algorithms run on device, sending poses to the edge of the cloud, which can do the heavy rendering, send a compressed version back to the device that applies additional display enhancements for a rich, lifelike visual experience. With holographic telepresence as the use case example, you will understand the features and specs of the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 platform announced last December. Our new chip combines XR, 5G, and AI to enable use cases such as holographic telepresence, along with many, many others. The features on this chipset will help the devices that use it to bring to market even more immersive and more compelling experiences. Let's take a look. I hope you can now see that the transformation to spatial computing is already well on its way. Qualcomm Technologies started investing early in XR. It has been over a decade. And the result of our long-standing commitment to XR is that today, Snapdragon powers the top XR platforms, and we have launched over 30 commercial devices for a remarkable majority share in the XR market. We created a dedicated product line with XR1 for high-quality experiences and added the XR2 for premium quality experiences that enabled standalone VR devices like Oculus, standalone AR devices like HoloLens, and also viewers tethered to smartphones. It is amazing how many use cases are available today and are helping during these difficult times in the pandemic. We're just in the beginning and look forward to working with you to find the best devices and solutions for the consumer and enterprise. We are proudly, keenly, and humbly aware that the XR industry looks to Qualcomm technologies to power their devices and enable key functionalities and capabilities. That count on not only our brilliant customers from Facebook to Google to Microsoft to Lenovo, but also a wide gamut of partners with enterprise solution providers, component technology partners, as well as operators. And we look forward to continue working with the Korean community across these segments. We welcome new companies to our XR Enterprise program, our HMD Accelerator program, and our XR Optimize program. Thank you so much for having me here today. I hope you have a great rest of your conference.